Benny was kind and playful, but he got angry very quickly. When things went wrong, he shouted, "Grrr!" One day, Benny's ball rolled into the stream. Splash! His face turned red, his paws clenched into fists. Olivia the wise owl flew down. "Anger is like a balloon," she said kindly. "Would you like me to teach you a trick?" Olivia showed Benny the balloon trick. Take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. Benny blew out slowly. He giggled. "That feels funny." The next day, Benny tried the trick again. Instead of shouting, he laughed. From that day on, Benny used the balloon trick. Whenever he felt angry, he let it float away. When you feel angry, try the balloon trick. Take 3 deep breaths in, blow out slowly, let your anger float away. Follow Learner's Grove for more heartwarming stories. Learner's Grove, a home for minds to bloom.